Hello, in this lesson we will learn how to pronounce and use the word İyi Günler in Turkish. So let's start. İyi Günler. İyi Günler. İyi Günler. Now, note that the literal meaning of İyi Günler is good days. However, it still simply means good day, have a good day, have a great day, have a nice day, or have a good one. Also, while İyi Günler is mostly used to greet a person during a day, you can also use İyi Günler when you leave or farewell somebody. İyi günler Ali. İyi günler Ali. İyi günler Ali. İyi günler arkadaşlar. İyi günler arkadaşlar. İyi günler arkadaşlar. Herkese iyi günler. Herkese iyi günler. Herkese iyi günler. İyi günler. Nasılsınız? İyi günler. Nasılsınız? İyi günler. Nasılsınız? If you liked this video and learned something new, please subscribe to my channel to watch more lessons on how to learn Turkish the easy way. Also, if you think this video can benefit somebody else, please share it with others because sharing is nice, sharing is helpful. Last, if you have any comment or request, please provide your feedback in the comment section below and I'll do my best to respond as soon as possible. Thanks for watching and see you in the next lessons.